Okay, yung mga ina-offload ninyo, ang nangyari niya, pag na-offload sila, yung ticket nila is non-refundable. Anong opinion mo tungkol dyan? Para sa akin, dapat ang magbayad yan, immigration. In-offload nyo eh.
Sir, as far as I know, they have a process where they can refund the ticket.
They can
Yes.
refund from where? From the
From
airlines?
the Bureau of Immigration.
But are the passengers informed? Dapat pag nag-offload kayo, sinasabi nyo doon sa na-offload na passenger na marirefund nila yung ticket nila. But they are not informed.
Probably that's really what is happening right now for lack of information.
Exactly. Dapat meron kayong visible na nakalagay doon if you're offloaded by the immigration and then the reason and then you are entitled to a refund, a ticket refund, and then kung saan sila pupunta, saan sila po contact, saan sila magpadala ng email, things like that.